Okay guys, we're ready to address all of the issues with the cat eye. We have a problem with the mount. We have a problem with the turn signal. We have a problem with the headlight. We have a problem with the area of the hood. Here and here. We have a problem with the grill. The grill is broken. Okay, so we also need this side turn signal. Never mind that, that's a bent bracket. Now the good news, guys, is the hood latch is actually working. That is great news. Alright, here we are. So, the problem we have is we don't have a battery. We will get that. We'll also cover that up. But the major problem is this alternator right here. It is bad. It is not functioning.